Hello kittens. Alright, yeah. Just testing the mic. Okay. Hello kittens. Today we're in Philippine Village, created by Nemi Kaza or Kaza. I'm pretty sure it's the latter one. Kaza. I'm pretty sure that's pronounced the correct way, the second version. Anyway, the reason why I have not made the first video is I was about to, and then it started raining. That's why the delay in the first variety video. After all, I did say 6 days ago in my last video that I was waiting on a couple of things. They came. It was still nice and sunny then. And then the next day I went outside to get the plywood. It's marine, so it would have lasted. I do have some roofing material. And I also have some other wood. They use that for karate, to train for using your hands and your feet to the trainers or the mentors hold those small boards up with their hands for their students to cut in half. And they're also made of plywood. I'm not sure if it's marine plywood or not, but I will also be using them. And the particular glue that I have took, let's see, I think 3 weeks to get to me. It is called, I can only remember half of it, hang on. I just had to look at the name because it is in my pantry. It has to be stored in a certain temperature. It is called Mod Podge. As I said, it has to be stored in a certain temperature. And outside, it is pretty cool at the moment. We're starting to go between our autumn and spring, and they're our coolest months before winter again. So anyway, it has to stay close to the 20-degree mark to stay a liquid form. So I've got to wait for it to stop raining now. Cut the 1200 by 600 marine plywood to a 600 by 300, and that's when I will make the first video so I can show you how I will be patching up my roof. Because this Mod Podge is not only a glue, it's a waterproof sealer. So it will seal like the roof does. And as I already said, I already have roofing material which, put next to the tiles of the roof, enhances the waterproofing, which is what I was going to show, and that would have been the first video, and that would have been put in the variety section. I have two inbound motors, one electric, one petrol version. I don't know if I'll be using them in the same vehicle or not, but we'll see. I'll make my mind up when that time comes for it. I was hoping by now the fiberglass would have been here, so I can try and make my mind up to use that for the first, maybe the second project. That's the word I was looking for a moment ago. So anyway, that's everything up to date, and why I haven't started the new video yet. Alright, I hope it stops raining tomorrow so I can start the new video and get some of my shopping done and pay the bill. Anyway, after all that, I'll do the first video if it has stopped raining. So I'll see you later, kittens.